basketball. We paying that a lot. I'm in this get to the chicken whip it, then I flip it and trap it off. I gotta get to the dollar on the hitters and back, come on. Smoking on gas a lot. Ready to whack, come on. Whack, come on. Whack, come on. Clap, clap, clap. Clap him up. This what I do to the head of the chopper. Hit him, tell him back him up. She like Applejack. I like applesauce. That's the boss. That's the cost. Why you trying to flex in your fashion off? Chain around my neck and her soft. Smoking on that gas, I ain't passing off. Ass me off. Fashion low. Stash it off. Dash it off. Flash it off. Don't pass it off. I'm in the tip of the chicken, the trap hard with all my.
Thank God that I'm alive. I've been popping all my life. It's like my birthday every night. I've been popping all my life. Thank God that I'm alive.
Ooh, thanking the Lord I'm alive. Your diamonds not looking alive. Feel the trust swerving is wide. Heard you be talking to 12, but I do not fuck with them guys. First time I see me a bill, I thought it was gold in my eyes. Yes, the coupe all red inside. Ooh, duplex shawty outside. Ooh, we not feeling your vibe. Yo, nigga play that retire. Niggas out here ain't true. Two-door coupe, no roof. Spice on the back of my shoes. You got more money than who? Christian Dior on my boo. Dior. Real niggas gon' salute. Drippin' and I got the juice. Molly with the Henny boost. You're looking at the biggest groove. I'm looking at the biggest boobs. Looking at the biggest diamond that I put up in my mama hula hoops.
Thank God that I'm alive. I've been popping all my life. It's like my birthday every night. I've been popping all my life. Thank God that I'm alive.
Where are you now that I need you?